Alright, listen up, Abakaliki, Ebonyi State. Things are about to get real serious this time around if this rent situation doesn't change in Abakaliki. And a lot of people are heading into the new year with major headaches. And I mean literally headaches. The rent prices are out of control as we speak in Abakaliki. And if the Ebonyi State government doesn't step in soon, this town could face a major crisis. So here is the thing. Right now, people are now paying an insane amount of money for just one room apartment. I did not say one room self-con, just one room apartment. And that's not all. Some landlords are pushing prices even higher. The landlords, the agents are to be blamed for this outrageous amount people are beginning to pay in this town. So recently, a lady came around to lay a complaint about where she stays at Tina Wenze Street in Abakaliki, where rent was just 430,000 naira in 2019 up till now. It's shot up to 1.2 million naira starting from January 2025. She said she and other tenants woke up one morning and the landlord said the rent has increased from 430,000 naira to 1.2 million naira. And get this, nothing new has been added to this said building. No repainting, no upgrades, just pure greed. This is seriously affecting so many people. Students, workers, low-income earners, everyone's feeling the pressure. And it's not just this woman, a whole lot of Abakaliki residents are seriously complaining about the hike in house rent in this town. The local economy could take a huge hit if people start moving out. And trust me, that's something we want to happen. If this continues, Abakaliki will become unlivable for so many, and that's just not right. We're calling on the Ebonyi State government to do something about this before it's too late. We need rent controls to stop these ridiculous prices hikes. We need action now. We've seen some really crazy things like this lawyer who is backing up these illegal rent hikes. This is exactly what happens when we don't stand up for our rights in this country. This isn't just about prices, it's about making Abakaliki a place that people can still live and do business in. We don't want to make this town a ghost town. We want to see it thrive, right? So, government, we need you to act very fast. The people are crying out for help and it's your responsibility to step up. Let's work together to make sure Abakaliki stays a place where everyone can live and thrive without the stress of ridiculous rent prices.